success. Tarjama understands your need to transcend geographical barriers and market your products and services in a variety of linguistic and cultural contexts. With offices across the region, United Arab Emirates, Jordan, Saudi Arabia and Lebanon, Tarjama is one of the largest networks of translators and linguists in the Middle East. Our extensive experience has led us to develop a solid understanding of regional linguistic requirements, resulting in reliable and culturally appropriate content. Tarjama caters to the unique needs of our clients. Though we specialize in Arabic and English wordsmithing, we are able to provide linguistic solutions for over 30 other languages. Tarjama recognizes that its busy clients require rapid, effective turnaround on their linguistic requests. Our employees are hired in different time zones and on multiple shifts. We utilize state-of-the-art technology, including international computer-assisted translation tools and document management platforms to produce content of the highest quality. Tarjama believes that it has a responsibility to give back to the community. As a women-owned company, Tarjama is one of the region's strongest supporters of women's economic empowerment. Our work-from-home model has managed to link over 100 women from across the region to employment opportunities. Over the next 3 years, over 200 women will benefit from training opportunities provided by Tarjama and its regional partners. Tarjama is well placed to meet your linguistic needs in the Middle East and beyond.